Hi everyone, it's Denise from Denise Rich's Art and Design. I picked up these little resin birds at Goodwill for 75 cents each, and the eyeballs on this one are really creepy. Couldn't wait to paint over those. These birds got a coat of chalk paint in the color Snow White by Waverly. After one of the birds dried, I realized that the paint was kind of flaking off. I don't know what the issue was, if there was something under the paint, so I scraped it off. I gave them a coat of clear matte sealer, and that seemed to do the trick. So I gave them another coat of white paint, and when that was dry, it was time to give them a coat of wax. First I gave them a coat of clear finishing wax from Jolie, and then after the clear wax I did black wax. Once I finished with the black wax, I realized that the black didn't really go with the other pieces that I was creating for this video. So I went ahead and did one more coat of wax. This time I did it in the Waverly Antique Wax. Here you could see the comparison between the black wax and the brown wax, and I definitely like the brown version better. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.